This is a review of Apex's polarized lens replacements for Ray-Ban Meta. I have 3 different kinds in this box. The transition ones I already reviewed in a previous video comparing them to the original transitions from Ray-Ban Meta. If you want to see that, check it out. But first, we got some crazy different colors and variations in here. So I hope you guys are as excited for this video as I am. Our first step is to take off this clip-on sunglasses right here. Those are gone. Also reviewed those in a previous video. Next, you're gonna want to take out the original lenses. So that's really easy. I show a detailed guide on how to do this in a different video really easily. If you're scared of breaking your glasses, watch that video. But pop those out like that. And now that we got our empty frames, we can get started. We got it. 3 different kinds right here. I don't know which color is gonna be open first, so let's just get started. First one. All of their cases look the same. They are really nice and compact. They all have the same things inside of them. They have the lenses, a free sticker, and a really nice carrying bag. So the first color here, can you guess what it is? Can you guess? It is a beautiful reflective mirrored red. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I cannot wait to see how these look inside of my Ray-Ban Metas. Now the crazy thing here is, this is my camera. Look how mirrored it is. You can barely see through it. It reflects the light. But it looks like my iPhone camera has a built-in polarizer filter in the lens itself. So you can see through the lens, which is crazy. So this is not what it would look like in real life. This to you is what it would look like in real life from the outside, unless you had a special lens. So that's an interesting thing that I just noticed. Okay, let's stick them in. I have a video for how to do this exactly in all my other videos, so we're gonna skip the formalities here. Before you actually shove these in here, is a really good idea to take your original lenses and put the new ones on them to see if they are the exact same size, and they are. If this one is bigger or smaller, then don't try to force it into your frames. I almost did that the first time. So the size I got is regular. I also have the larges in the description as well. Plenty of different colors, more than the 3 I'm just reviewing in this video. After we get them in, we are going to clean them off with this cleaning cloth to make sure the fingerprints are gone. You can avoid this step if you use the cleaning cloth to put them in, but I find it easier to just put them in normally and then clean them afterwards. So once they're nice and clean, we're going to try them on. Ooh, beautiful. Look at these bad boys. So let's just take a real quick look at these. Pretty solid. Honestly, I really like this red color. It is, oh, I just really like it. What else can I say? It's not too warm red. It's like a nice, cool. I never see people wearing sunglasses this color, and I really think that they're underrated because, wow, crazy. Next, before I move on to the next ones, it is important to know that they have 4 different variations of each lens that you might want to get. They start at $35, which is the stock version. You can get polarized ones for $45, the Polarized Pro, which adds anti-reflective coating on the lenses to prevent side glare, plus enhanced clarity. But that brings it up to $65, so that's honestly more than I would spend. And they have the Pro Plus, which also has a cleaning kit for another $10. So honestly, I would stick with the originals for $35 or the Polarized for $45 if you want extra UV protection. That other stuff, in my opinion, isn't necessary. Okay, so next up, we have got, so exciting. Ooh, these are the classic sunglass aviator colors. Apex calls them rose gold mirrored. A lot of aviators are the shade, which is why I thought it would be really cool to get them for my Ray-Ban Metas. Let's throw them in. Now, pretty good proof that these lenses are really durable is the fact that you can just shove them in here and not worry about breaking them at all. So really this is me just testing out new colors because I've already tested out the transitions for a while now. And I know they have good clarity, they're really durable, great UV protection from the sun, great amount of shade for you, and they are really well mirrored, meaning people can't really see your eyes from the outside. But obviously you can see everything else. Also, if you have any trouble at all installing these, just know I have a good tutorial for how to do that exactly, and I get pretty close to the glasses so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And that's just my how to replace Ray-Ban Meta lenses tutorial. So these are really pretty as well. Oh yeah, these are really great for probably the majority of people, I would say. I really like this color. But if you don't like these first 2 colors, I got one more to show you. I have a separate video with the transitions, and they have 20 total colors. Isn't that crazy? But yeah, this rose gold color is also really nice, but the red is just so intense. I love both of these colors so far. Oh, wow. Okay, it's time to go to the final color, which is Fire Orange. These are great because of my clip-ons. I already have this yellowish color. Orange is a really nice addition. Also pretty popular in aviator type glasses. But let's see how they look in Ray-Ban Metas. The really great thing about these lenses is they are such an amazing value. You can have so many different customizations to your Ray-Ban Metas for really cheap. I mean, $35 for all these extra sets of lenses that don't add anything to the outside of the glasses at all. Honestly, discovering these has been pretty game-changing for how much I wear Ray-Ban Metas. I feel a lot cooler wearing them with all these new styles for so cheap. This is the Fire Orange. Pretty crazy. These lenses all have pretty great clarity, and if you wanted to know how to put them in exactly, I have a video on that. And if you want an accessory that is even cheaper and offers more style options than these, go ahead and check out my video about how to look 1,000 times cooler with Ray-Ban Metas. If you want to know about other crazy accessories, check out my 5 accessories video. And if you want to know how to put these lenses in specifically and take your old ones out, check out my video on how to replace lenses. And for everything Ray-Ban Meta, subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time.